Hey, my friend, if you're already looking for ways to earn online, why not share and use a system that's going to pay you for doing what you're already doing, that's going to pay you to take action, and is going to pay you when other people take action, right? So you already know what a checking account is. When you create a checking account, you add $50 with your debit card. This company is going to give you $25 on your account if you're a new customer. And then when you share it with other people, you're going to get $75 just for sharing it. A prepaid card. You are accustomed to using prepaid debit cards. When you add 40, the company's going to add 20 to your account. And then every person that you refer, they're going to add $20 cash to your account. Here's another one. You already shop online. This system, this company, this app, they pay you cash back, but when you become a new customer, they're going to pay you 50. And then every person that you refer, they're going to pay you 50. Here's another thing. You may say, I already have those. Once you click the links and you see it, no problem. Share the bank system so you can get $75. Share the prepaid card system so you can get $20. Share the cashback system so you can get $50. So these are systems and companies that will pay you for taking action, pay you for doing the things that you're already doing. All right. So this is how you can. I've answered the question. Can I really receive a $150 bonus today? You can. You take these actions. All right. So click the links in the video description. Many blessings, my friend.